Oh my gosh, those are so cute. Very festive in here. Hey there, I'm Cast Iron Katie. I'm Cast Iron Katie. Doesn't that make a nice sound? Stove. Just a moment. So good. Hi there, I'm Cast Iron Katie, and I'm so excited to share this recipe with you. In this video, I am making keto Christmas cutout cookies. Aren't they cute? I try all sorts of new baking techniques, including baking with keto ingredients and also embossing these cookies, as well as piping and decorating. And if I can do it, anybody can do it. Let's get started. Beginning with our dry ingredients, I will whisk together 3½ cups of almond flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and a ½ teaspoon of xanthan gum. Now we will beat together 4 ounces of softened cream cheese and 6 tablespoons of softened butter. We'll add 3/4 of a cup of powdered sweetener. It's erythritol. And a teaspoon of vanilla. Now we're going to beat in the dry ingredients of the almond flour, xanthan gum, and the baking powder. Oh, chimney Christmas. Okay. Now that the dough is all come together, make it into a little ball, and then we'll divide that in half. Okay, we will put this in the refrigerator to chill. Start by putting some almond flour down. And we'll take half of our discs from the freezer. And roll that out. We'll roll it out until it's about a ½ inch thick. We're going to emboss ours. If I were not embossing, I would just leave it at a 1/4 inch thick. That embossing will press in a little bit. It's pretty. It's pretty good. A little more of the almond flour here. We'll take our embossing rolling pin, press it in. I'm firmly pressing in, but not really over the top. I want to make some Christmas ornaments, some Christmas bulbs. Well, they don't look quite like Christmas bulbs yet, so we're going to make a little top to them so that they will look like Christmas bulbs. This is the fastener on a piping bag. Going to make the top for my Christmas ornaments using this. impression there. And cut out. And then my end of a beater. We will just mush those onto the top of our ornaments there. Preheated the oven to 325. I'm going to put these directly on here. Oh, touch, don't touch, don't touch. Okay, 13 minutes is where these have been in for. In the meantime, put another bunch in here. Let that go for 13 minutes also. We'll just keep up with the process. I got the last bunch of cookies in the oven, and we're going to go ahead and get started on making up our icing for the cookies. I have 4 ounces of softened cream cheese and 3 tablespoons of butter. We'll beat those together. Add a 1/4 cup of powdered erythritol. Add a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla and 3 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. Okay, I'll set this aside until all the cookies are completely cool. Alright, let's get to coloring some frosting. I'm going to divide that into 3 parts, and we'll color 1 red and 1 green and leave the other one a cream color. Okay. Well, that looks pretty good. Okay, I'm starting with 20 drops of food coloring because that's about where I was with the green. Alright. I think I can live with that. Let's get some cookies to decorate. Okay, you know my hand's not real steady whenever it comes to decorating things, but I'm gonna give it a whirl. See what we can come up with here. I'm just putting some white on right now, and then I'll do some green, and then I'll do some red. Oh my gosh. That's bonkers. The Keto Christmas cutout cookies, delicious. You'll never miss the sugar. They are light. It doesn't give you the heaviness like you would with the sugars, or the sugars and the carbs from other flours. You have the nuttiness from the almond flour and kind of a cooling effect, which reminds me of Christmas from the erythritol. So they're delicious. Like I said, you'll never miss the sugar. And they're a lot of fun to make with your family. I had so much fun decorating these. Ridiculous. This is Cast Iron Katie. Thanks so much for watching. Hi there, I'm Cast Iron Katie, and I'm so excited to share this recipe with you. In this video, I am making pickles. Get down. You're a naughty dog. Come here. Hi there, I'm Cast Iron. Here, now there's no glare.
Call from Mr. House.
Hi there, I'm Cast Iron Katie, and I'm so excited to share this video.
Fourth one. This is our fourth bunch. It's getting good. Thought it was gonna be awful, but you're doing good.
Just kicked it a little bit.
This is Cast Iron Katie. Thanks so much for watching.
Are they good?
What do you mean, are they good?
You didn't say they're good.
Do you have to say they're good? They're good. See, it's got like little garland and holly berries on it. Isn't that cute? Isn't that cute? It's cute. What did I mess up now?
Nothing.
What are you laughing at?